Hey everyone! Welcome back to your channel name. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Today, I'm going to show you how to create faceless YouTube automation videos without spending a dime. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel without showing your face, you're in the right place. So grab a notebook because we're about to dive into some exciting tips. Segment 1. Understanding faceless automation videos. First, let's talk about what faceless automation videos are. These videos utilize a combination of voiceovers, images, text, and animations to convey information or tell a story without you appearing on camera. This format is perfect for those who are camera shy or simply don't want to show their face. You might be wondering why these videos are so popular. Well, they allow creators to focus on content quality and storytelling while maintaining their privacy. Plus, they can be incredibly engaging and informative, attracting a wide audience. Segment 2. Tools you'll need. Next, let's go over the free tools you'll need to get started. Screen recording software. Apps like OBS Studio or Bandicam are fantastic for capturing screen activity. They're free, user-friendly, and perfect for tutorials or gameplay videos. Just download and set them up to start recording your screen. Video editing software. For editing, you can use programs like DaVinci Resolve or Shotcut. Both offer powerful features like multi-track editing, color correction, and effects, all without any cost. Don't worry if you're new to editing. There are plenty of tutorials online to help you get started. Voiceover tools. You can record your own voice using Audacity, a free audio editing software that's great for beginners. If you prefer a faceless option, consider using text-to-speech software like Natural Reader or Google Text-to-Speech for a professional sound. Stock footage and images. Websites like Unsplash and Pexels provide a treasure trove of free stock images and videos that you can incorporate into your projects. Just make sure to check the licensing, but most are free to use without attribution. Segment 3. Creating your content. Now let's talk about how to create your content. This is where the magic happens. Step 1. Choose your niche. Identify a niche that genuinely interests you. Whether it's technology, finance, health tips, or even storytelling, make sure it has a good audience. Research what others are doing in that space to find your unique angle. Step 2. Research and script writing. Research trending topics in your niche using tools like Google Trends or YouTube search suggestions. Write a concise script that keeps your audience engaged. Remember, a well-structured script can make a huge difference in how your message is received. Step 3. Gather assets. Collect visual assets like stock footage, images, and any elements needed for your video. Make sure they align with the theme of your script. This is your chance to get creative. Think about how you can visually represent your ideas. Step 4. Record your voiceover. Using Audacity, record your voice reading the script. Take your time to ensure clear pronunciation and a steady pace. If you're using text-to-speech, paste the script into your TTS software and generate the audio. You can always tweak the settings for a more natural sound. Step 5. Edit your video. Open your video editor and start combining your visuals, voiceover, and any background music. Pay attention to pacing, transitions, and effects to enhance the viewing experience. Make sure everything flows smoothly together. This is where your creativity truly shines. Segment 4. Publishing your video. Once your video is edited, it's time to publish. Here's how to make your video stand out. Step 1. Create a catchy thumbnail. Use free tools like Canva to design an eye-catching thumbnail. This is your first impression, so make it bold and relevant. A great thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate. Step 2. Optimize your title and description. Include relevant keywords in your video title and description to improve discoverability. Think about what your audience might search for. Use tags that are relevant to your content to reach a broader audience. Step 3. Schedule your video. Consider posting regularly. Consistency helps to grow your channel over time. Whether it's once a week or bi-weekly, find a schedule that works for you and stick to it. And that's it. You've learned how to make faceless YouTube automation videos for free. I hope you're feeling inspired to start your own channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more great content. What topics would you like me to cover next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see your videos.